5 months ago, we have done a full beard hair transplant for this gentleman. Let's listen the journey of full beard hair transplant.
Hi, my name's Nathaniel. I'm 24 and I came from Sabah. 5 months ago, I came here to GLOJAS to have SMART FUE beard transplant with Professor Dato Dr. JasG. Today, I'm here to share with you my experience about the procedure. The reason I wanted to have a beard transplant is because of my genetics. I cannot grow hair on this area of my face, but I wanted a full beard look. So that's why I came here to have a beard transplant procedure. After the beard transplant procedure, my friends and family have noticed tremendous difference in my new look. They have given me compliments about it, and I'm very happy with the results, even if it is only after 5 months. I can't wait to see the full results after 1 year. To brothers out there who are trying to get a beard transplant procedure, you can trust me that in GLOJAS here, you are in good hands. So if you are feeling skeptical, you can trust me. Here you will get very good results, and thank you for everyone here at GLOJAS. Thank you Professor Dato Dr. JasG, and thank you GLOJAS.